Hey guys, what is up? I'm Programmer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will subscribe to yours. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you say I subscribe, then I will try to reply to you. But anyways, hey guys, I'm starting a new series that's called, drumroll please, The Game of Money. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's totally called The Game of Money. Look. It's called Make It Rain. Okay, but anyways, let's just get straight into the video because they say that this is a pretty addicting video. This is a pretty addicting game. So, without further ado, I'm gonna just play this game because they say it's addicting. Yeah, it's kind of addicting. I got a bucket. Oh yes! Oh yeah! Making $15 a second. Oh yeah! Buy business to get more money for every swipe. You see? Yeah. It's $2. This is pretty addicting. Yeah. $5. Yeah. Well, guys, I got to 1,000. Well, get 1 golden pigs. Okay, fine. Well, at least you guys didn't get to see that ad. It was a horrible ad. Yay. Oh, wow. Donate to hire a PR person. Run for a class president. Holy soup. Yay. Wait, we're about to level up. Earn stars to level up. I'm about to level up. Yay! I leveled up. What's this? Swipe 30 times in 60 seconds. Okay. Let's do this. Oh yes. Come on. Yeah. Okay. What else? Wait. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Did that? Well, guys, at least I have more money. Thank God. A mattress. Ooh, mattress. Nothing else? Okay. Swipe to it. Let's see how much I have there. Yay. Okay, can I upgrade my bucket? Yay. 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 $90 per second. Jesus Christ, that's more than Bill Gates gains. Okay, so I have 1,409. Okay. Money match. Play money match. Win double. Bet cash. Oh God. Money match. Multiplayer money. Risk? No. No, I don't like doing that. You know what? Fine. Let's see what I get. 1. Difficulty 1. Go. 9 diamonds. Your bet moves. Oh. So what am I supposed to do again? Oh yeah, I'm almost done. And how to get this? Oh yeah. Then I can do that. That. No. So screwed. Double nothing, take the money and run. Take the money and run! Yay! I knew it was a great idea. Let's see if I can upgrade my money. Oh, lemonade stand. This how much money do we get now? $10. Ooh. Okay, $95 per second. $195 per second. Jesus. So, wait a second. What? Rubber band. Oh my god. And then bronze clip. Oh my Jesus. Yeah. So what are the clips for? I wonder what that's for. Oh, comic book. Okay. That's just 250%. Piggy bank. 200%. What are the clips for? Money clips. Background. But now I have a song. Gold Rush. What? What? US dollar. Wait a second. I don't know that. I didn't know that change bills could happen. Go. Let's see what change bills can. Let's see what I can do. What? Why can't I change bills? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, yeah. I know which bills to change to. Change to this. Yeah. Now I just kind of want to switch to the US dollar button. Oh, yes. Never mind. A real $1 bill. But doesn't this mean I'm gaining money? Unlock. Rob the tower. What? Friend starts to level up. Yeah, I know. Let's see what my bucket has. Bucket full? No. Okay. Patience. No strikes. No strikes for 10 seconds. Okay. Come on. Yay! Okay. Swipe 20 times in 10 seconds. Oh, yes. Okay, gotta swipe real fast. Yay! Okay. Upgrade matches to level 5. Got that. I think it's time to auto swipe. What? Okay, anyways guys, I think it's time to end the video here. And if you liked it, then please like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. So let auto swipe finish first. This looks awesome. So satisfying. Bye guys. Wait, what? What's happening?